This is AI Scope, your front row seat to the AI revolution. Every week we explore powerful AI tools, uncover hidden features, and see if they truly deliver. If you want smarter tools and smarter decisions, you're in the right place. If you create YouTube videos, podcasts, or interviews, you probably know how valuable short clips can be for social media. Short videos perform extremely well on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, but finding the best moments in a long video can take a lot of time. You have to watch the entire video, identify interesting segments, and then edit everything manually. This is where AI tools like Opus Clip come in. The idea behind this tool is simple. Instead of manually searching for highlights, the AI analyzes your video and finds the most engaging moments automatically. Let's see how it works. You start by uploading a long video or pasting a YouTube link. Once the video is uploaded, the AI begins analyzing the content. It looks at speech patterns, emotional moments, and sections that are likely to capture attention. After processing the video, the AI automatically generates several short clips. Each clip is optimized for vertical video format, which is perfect for platforms like TikTok and Shorts. Another interesting feature is automatic captions. The AI adds subtitles directly to the video, which makes the clips more engaging since many people watch videos without sound. You can also edit the clips if needed. For example, you can trim sections, adjust captions, or choose different highlights from the video. This makes the process much faster compared to traditional editing. Instead of spending hours searching for the best moments, the AI does most of the work. For creators who produce long content regularly, tools like Opus Clip can save a lot of time. It's a simple but very powerful way to repurpose content across multiple platforms. If you want to grow your content faster using short videos, this AI tool is definitely worth exploring. And if you want to discover more AI tools like this, follow AI Scope.